Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to write emails faster, smarter, and with less effort, then you're going to love this video. Today, I'll show you exactly how to access the Help Me Write feature in Gmail step by step. This is Google's AI-powered email assistant that helps you draft professional emails in seconds, whether it's work emails, customer replies, or even casual messages. Stay tuned till the end because I'll also show you how to actually use it once it's enabled. Let's get started. First of all, what is Help Me Write in Gmail? It's a powerful AI tool from Google that helps you generate high-quality email drafts automatically using simple prompts. You just tell it what you want to write, and it creates a polished version for you. It can write formal emails, summaries, follow-ups, job applications, you name it. The best part, you can edit the tone, expand it, or make it shorter in one click. However, this feature isn't turned on by default. It's currently part of Google Workspace Labs, so you need to sign up before you get access. Step 1. Join Google Workspace Labs to access Help Me Write. Go to the Google Workspace Labs sign up page. You'll need to be signed into your Google account. Scroll down and click I agree to accept the Workspace Labs terms of service. Before you continue, take a moment to review the data usage policy. Google may use your input to improve AI features, so it's good to understand how your data is managed. Fill out the sign up form. Next, confirm your email and check the optional box if you want to receive product updates from Workspace Labs. This step isn't required, so you can skip it if you want. Then confirm that you're 18 years or older and click submit. That's it. Your registration is complete. Now keep in mind, Google may take a little time to enable the feature for your account, so don't worry if it doesn't show up instantly. Open Gmail and find Help Me Write once your access is approved. Open Gmail, click the Compose button like you normally do. Inside the new message window, you'll now see a sparkle icon labeled Help Me Write at the bottom. Click on it to open the AI writing box. Start writing with AI. Now it's time to use the tool. Type a simple prompt like, write a friendly invitation email for a weekend hangout, or write a professional follow-up email for a job application. Click Create. In just a few seconds, Gmail will generate a full email draft for you. From there, you can refine the tone, formalize it, shorten it, or add more details. When you're happy with it, click Insert, and your AI-crafted email is ready to send. And that's how you access and use Help Me Write in Gmail in 2025. This feature is a huge time saver, especially for students, professionals, freelancers, and business owners. Let me know in the comments what kind of emails you'll use it for. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more time-saving tech guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.